Hi everyone. So this morning I learned from Dr. Google that many women are asking about vaginal odor. So I wanted to talk a little bit about vaginal pH and sort of what it all means. So when women are in their reproductive years and they're having menstrual cycles, so they're pre-menopausal, they will often have a cycling of bleeding that occurs each month. And this bleeding will throw off the vaginal pH. This very delicate equilibrium of the vagina keeps everything in control and keeps it so that you don't have a lot of odor. But when the bleeding occurs, both the blood itself and the change to the vaginal pH can definitely give you a distinctive odor every month. So it's very normal to have vaginal odor, especially on your period or after your period. Now there is something called Bacterial Vaginosis, or BV, that has a very distinct fishy odor. That actually can be treated, and a short course treatment will get rid of that odor, but because of the changing pH, that can come back, and some women notice that they have that every month. If you notice a lot of odor around your cycles, or you notice an odor monthly, I would suggest a probiotic, because a probiotic also helps keep the pH more level each month, so that even though there's fluctuations in your hormones, you often don't notice that distinct odor. The other thing is women after menopause also come in noticing an odor. If you are no longer having periods, but you're noticing an odor, the culprit is pretty much the same thing. It's that vaginal pH. The pH of the vagina is off. And after menopause, the pH of the vagina is off because there's less estrogen. So estrogen functions as a barrier and naturally keeps our pH more level. So sometimes if you're noticing a lot of vaginal odor each month, you could consider trying some vaginal estrogen. It's relatively safe. You should talk to your doctor about it, but it may be just the thing to keep the vaginal pH level. So in general, odor is really not concerning, although it's bothersome. It's very, very normal. Keeping that pH level will help you the most with reducing odor.